Magandang araw sa lahat. Muli ito naman yung Ate Irene. Kumusta ang ating araw? I hope everyone is fine, and I know it's weekend and some of you are at home or sa mall, nagagala at ni-enjoy ang walang pasok. I just want to share kung paano ako nagsimula the courage of doing this podcast that I've shared about the greatness of God is grabe, ang daming daming pagkakataon, talagang ang hirap simulan, but it take a lot of commitment. I did a lot, listen to some other online preachers kasi syempre I'm not perfect. Isa lang po akong simpleng tao na nangangarap din at sa kabutihan ng Diyos paano ko ma-share ang kanyang kagandahan, ng kabutihan sa buhay ko. And I felt so much blessed despite of all, if you just know my life now, if you just know what I went through. It's hard kasi he will always input things that you are not worthy, you are not good enough, hindi ka karapat-dapat na maging magpalabas ng ganitong salita ng Diyos. That's why, it takes a lot of me to start doing this. But then when I look back and kung paano ako natulungan ng Diyos, kung paano ako, His guidance in my journey in my life, hindi madali. Lalo na nung, your downfall, lalo na yung bottom part of your journey in life. Nagmububon sa lahat kung paano, how did I cope up with all those sadness. There are times na bigla ka na lang iiyak, because maalala mo yung nangyari sa buhay. But then again, God is so good. Kasi keep on, motivating me through, my listening sa gospel, through my people around who inspired me a lot on doing things. Pray na may na-inspire ako to still push, to still dream big. Hindi man natin abot agad-agad, but then again, laging isipin na may Diyos who will give us the strength, who will provide us people who will be there when we feel that we are not worthy, if we feel that we can't make it. As long as He give us a life each day, He woke up. It's a great opportunity to continue living. If we're given that kind of journey, especially with our family, na mayroon pa rin tayong work, mayroon pa rin tayong pagkakataong mabuhay. First thing first, ay dapat magpasalamat talaga sa Kanya kasi siya itong nagbibigay sa atin ng buhay. Why we have this, and we learn a lot in life, and through this we could share a lot also to others, to help also others, inspire to live, because napakabuti ng Diyos. And yesterday, bigla na namang I pause, bigla na namang feel so lonely. Hindi ko kaya, parang bigla na lang iiyak at maalaala parang yung mga problema at bigla ka na namang tagayin ng anxiety, feeling na unworthy ka, feeling na kang magagawa. But then again, I thank the Lord, hindi, He's just so good na He gave me strength to continue living. And I hope you too, one day mararating din natin ang mga bagay na gusto natin as long as we have Him. And whether it's happiness or sadness, we give Him thanks for His greatness. And may God be praised. And God bless everyone. Thank you for listening.